going on, guys? Today I'm at Big Lake, Arizona. Bear with me, I'm a little sick, but it's about like 5:45. There's a lot of fish jumping. Last time I came here, I caught about 30, so a couple 10, 12 inches. Oh, I need to have my net ready. Nothing big. This is about the average size for now. You have it a little bit bigger than that last one, not too much bigger. There we go. That's a good one. That's a good try. That's a good try. Josh. Oh yeah. Oh, oh yeah. So I was waiting for it. Yeah, I'll just bring the camera down. He pulled drag, dude. I got a drag puller. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's 4-pound braid. I'm not gonna have the drag like crazy, but and this clip here. That's your average Big Lake rainbow trout right there. Caught it on a little size 2 Panther Martin. My favorite trout lure to ever exist. Dude, I didn't want to keep fish yet. Come on. The little rainbow trout are hardier than the big rainbow trout, I swear. Nope. Maybe I just didn't give him enough time. Go that way, dude. Broski. There we go. Biggest trout I've ever caught in Black River.
Come on, it's gonna go.
Mama!
Hey, you can't get in the water. Uncle has
Oh,
water
you saved them.
Club bull.
What?
There's a club bull in there.